Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about tables in Excel. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So I have prepared some data here and we are having name, type 1, type 2, HP, attack and defense. And so now I want to create a table for this data. So how? So to create a table for this data, first you have to go to the insert. You have to click on the insert button. You can see, right? So click on insert button. And before selecting the table, you just have to select all the things from A1 to A1 to the whole data. And now you have to click on table now. And it will ask where is the data for your table. And you have to tell A1 to F22 and click on OK. Then the table is created. Then the table is created. So in this way, we can create the table. So by creating the table, it will offer the filter also. It will offer the filter also. So for example, if you want to only poison, just you have to select all and click on poison here and click on OK. Then the poison data will be there. And if you want to get the all the data, just select all and click on OK. Then all the data will be displayed on the screen. So likewise, based upon your, for example, if in this I want only psychic, just select all, like unselect the select all and click on physics and click on OK. Then only physics data will be appear. So by creating a table, it will offer the filter also. It will offer the filter also. So in this way, you can create a table and so based upon the table, you can perform your requirement. So it is a simple class to how to create a table in a certain data on the sheet. So I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos on YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.